I sat down on my dad's guitar.
Dude, it's like a mini Gatling gun.
Now I wish I was you.
Yeah, dude, it's a mini Gatling gun.
Yeah, you're just like, yeah, ours do pretty much the same thing, except for mine slows people down
Mine
too.
sounds
But
cool.
yours sounds and looks way cooler.
Yeah, because it's majestic.
Mine is magic instead. I mean, that's boring. I didn't mean to press square. Most games have square as the attack. This one has X, so it's weird.
Whoa, dude. What is this?
I don't know. Oh, that's those bombs. Press square and you can set those. Get extra.
Dude, oh, look at my... Come on, you ready to look at the arrows now? Look at them now.
Oh, what did you do?
Nothing. I was holding down the thing and it said I didn't have enough hatred. So I was like, okay, so I pressed the X button.
Just like giant nuclear explosion blows up the world. Everyone dies. You were supposed to destroy the darkness,
What was
not
that?
join it. I leveled up. You didn't because you're a noob. Never mind.
What doesn't kill me doesn't fall.
Can't see it right now, but I'm dancing. Got it, something. What is that?
Increase the damage.
Yeah, but I don't
magic
like that
missile.
one. I don't like the magic missile though. Give it to me for the things I like. I think you got one too. For the other one, what does it do? Pierce the machines. I think that means bleeding. And your other one, arrow, kind of sucks. It seeks out arrows for people and enemies and stuff. That one just slows them down.
I like this one.
Yeah. Oh, that's me.
Whoa, dude, look! Now it's changing colors.
Yeah, mine's just. Come on, you're cool now.
No, there's something in the bush. Oh, what is that?
I drank it, whatever it was.
Probably meth.
Yeah, I love math.
That is
Actually, I don't. Don't do math, kids.
fun. Not unless you're an adult.
Not ever. Don't ever do math. That zombie just steal that bag.
Yeah.
Wow, what a jerk. I was gonna eat it. I mean, take it.
Dude, look how
Get
quickly-
froze.
Look how quickly I take all of these out.
Yeah, you're just like. Mine's not as cool.
My hatred is too
No,
low.
because mine
My
actually
hatred
bullets.
is too low.
Mine isn't. I hate everybody. Everybody's done.
Dude, look at that. It actually seeks them out.
Wait, why is that a blue arrow down there?
Wait. There's something up here.
Yeah, but there's a blue arrow over here.
Yeah, but there's something up here. I think it's attack time. Dude, it automatically seeks them out, too.
Dude,
Watch.
there's more things to come. Come here.
Shut
There's a
up,
blue arrow over here. I want to see what it is. Stop!
I'm trying to teleport. Why isn't it working? No, can I have it? Yeah, it's a healing spell.
Oh, you already are at full health.
You won't survive that.
You won't survive that.
No, not after what I did.
Not after that, like.
I was like,
Then I was like,
because already too late. You shot their dead corpses.
what is this? Oh!
Did you see me? I just killed that.
I kill it with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, extra. Dude, they look like golems. This place is kind of scary. Nightmare streaming.
I killed it. It's you.
All this stuff is crap. And you got more crap.
Do you want this?
No,
I
it's
can't
crap.
use it.
I can't either. Because it sucks.
Club of Wounding? It looks like a paddle. This is a javelin. It also
That looks like a dagger.
This looks like a piece of crap. This looks like a paddle your mom used to spank you with.
Get wrecked. By your mama's paddle. I don't think we're supposed to be here. Yeah, don't they look like Gollum? They look like freaking Gollum. Thought I was you again. Because you're cool. Just like do this.
Dude, my arrows seek them out, so I can just be rain.
Yeah, my electricities do too. What is this? Wow, more golden. You magic. Gold. Magic gold. Is there such thing? I'm getting lost. I don't think I'm supposed to go. Nope.
Oh, I thought someone was shot at you. I was like, whoa, what is that?
Yeah, someone's shooting at me. I don't know where it's coming
Mm-hmm.
from. Fibber? Man, I haven't been called a fibber since I was 4. Oh gosh! What is that? Shoes.
Wait, I don't even think I have shoes.
Yeah,
Yep.
you do. You have good shoes too. This isn't the way either.
This is like a maze. I hate mazes.
It's amazing.
I hate
Wait,
mazes.
there's another way over here. Get back, Scrubs. This game isn't very hard.
I'm just over here blasting the video out.
Game is for kids.
See, we're supposed to go the way that we were going. No, not this way, but okay.
Killed them both. I'm better than you. There was other pathways too, but I don't care. I was right. I don't know if there is going to be. Ooh, what's that? We're just like taking everything. Oh, you
javelin?
made it first. I can use that, but you can't.
Who said I couldn't?
Yeah, but now you can't attack. I did. And I am right.
Whoa!
That one's not as good because it doesn't give you +2 life.
I know. Wait. Let
Give me your
Yeah,
shields.
I was go.
Or
Shut
I'll
up.
kill you.
You cannot. You're lucky I'm giving you it. You can also have this.
Okay. I think I already also have.
Oh, wait. Do you want the
Bracers.
javelin and stuff? So you can sell it?
Shoes of focus.
I'll take them.
I have the sense. I don't know what that means, but it looks cool.
It gives
So
you sense.
it smacks some sense into me. Now I have more defense than you. Finally, I'm better at you than something. I got a short bow. It's bad, but you can have it.
Yeah, I still want it.
I meant
Sell
to
it.
drop it.
Wait, do you want all these?
No.
I'll just sell them. You ready?
Three versus 20. Let's think about that.
That's
Let me
it.
look at my stuff. I got some stuff. Ooh, Javelin of the Eel. And a bunch of other crap.
Okay, we gotta start sharing our stuff.
Yeah, what do you think we've been doing?
Well,
Not
you've been-
sharing?
Well, you've been trying to take all of it.
Okay.
Need more time.
I didn't need to do that. Wait, I think yeah, I got a bow. You can have it. I
And it's
said
useless.
drop. I
Yeah,
said,
it's useless, but I'll still sell it.
where's the bow? Where's the
Down.
There it is. I'm blind as a carrion bat. Yeah, it sucks.
Yeah, just sold it.
This javelin looks cool though. I want one.
It does.
Increased movement speed like a mouse. You can take those. I'll take the shields. You can't use shields. Stop being an all. Dude, those are some thick leather pants. You know what I'm saying?
I got another, like, paddle that your mom was painting with.
Jeez, it looks like a ping pong paddle. It looks like a pickleball paddle. You don't know what I'm talking about? You know what a bunch of freaking nerds?
Oh.
What did you say to me? Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. I don't think we're supposed to be here.
Who cares?
Yeah, we're getting loot for days. No. I don't want to leave yet. Okay, now I want to leave.
Wait, no, there's still more unexplored.
Is there?
Is there really?
Wish there was a way to open up the map. I think there might be. I ran into a wall.
So did I.
Yeah, there's still stuff at the beginning, so let's backtrack. I guess we could have just used that thing instead, but who cares? I can use the leg work. That's not a door.
We both went in there.
I was following you.
I was following you.
How are we following each other? That's not even possible. Over here, this is unexplored.
Wait, no.
Not explored over here. There's golems.
No,
Golems
there's stuff
galore.
over here.
There's stuff over here first. Oh, it connects.
This is the place we're just at.
Okay.
See this?
Yeet. Teleportation, yo. I wanted to use it. Dude, the silence explains my feelings. Emptiness and loneliness and sadness.
That's a long path.
I know, right? We should have used that teleporter. Oh my gosh, jeez. I'm gonna cry. Oh, there's the end. Okay. I'm gonna decide not to cry and instead to end the episode. See you guys.